Hi my BEAUTETS, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little bit crazy. I'm actually doing a mask right now, and I know I haven't been on, but I will have a video coming explaining, you know, what I've been up to, what I've been doing, where I've been, so on and so forth. Now today is the day that I fly out, so I will be doing a lot of family vlogs because my sister is having a girl. I'm so excited and I'm so happy. Like I said before, I'm always like a family oriented girl, so I love being with my family. I love creating memories and just like, you know, having our own personal fun and recording the great memories, because when we get older we want to be able to look at the memories. So I just cannot wait to see my family. And yes, like I said, my sister's having a girl. I love all my babies. And yeah, so we will continue more with this vlog. I will see you a little bit later on, maybe when I like get my tickets and stuff, and we'll be all set. See you BEAUTETS later. Jace, are you excited? Where are you going? Huh? Okay, can you say hi to my BEAUTETS?
Oh, yeah.
It's for YouTube. Show them the drip. Show them the drip. Show them the clothes. Oh, hit him with the polo. Polo. This is Jace Polo. I love you. Don't do that. You look crazy. Yeah, guys. So we're on our way to the airport, and we will continue there.
Our final descent as we prepare for landing. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat back is upright, and tray table is stowed. Also, we have now started our final descent as we prepare for landing. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat back is upright, and tray table is stowed. Also,
finally here in Florida. Waiting for PPA, right? Waiting for your aunt. Are you excited? It was a pretty long day, right? Everything took long. How did you feel?
Good.
You sure? But you were still mad that they took long with your bag,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, that was a little upsetting, but we okay now.
Wow, you call? Where's Hades?
Titi Hades coming, okay?
I don't see his car.
She's coming. Oh. She's like, I'm just in my own little world there. No, he left. They came. Bring it back here. Woo! I'm right now vlogging, guys. I know my son has mosquito bites already, but that's Florida life, insect life. Hashtag insect life. So it's my mom here. She's chilling. Oh shit, she got the lime green effect. Oh shit, and she's Brooklyn. Oh shit, look who's in the back though. Swerving. Mira, he's just going in. The kids are having a great time, right? Are you having a great time? Yes, but why you don't go inside the big one? You don't need to go inside the little one. So Jace is currently just swimming before we get to the beach. My mom's beautiful pool. And yeah, I'm sorry BEAUTETS that I haven't really, I'm trying to vlog everything that I can, but like I said, I'm spending time with my family. So, you know, it's just been a little bit concentrated on that for the most part. So I'm sorry if it's kind of like a broken up video, but this is all that I got everything together. Yes, baby. So stay tuned, BEAUTETS, for the next segment, I guess, because every time when I happen to vlog, it's like another day, another time. So let's just enjoy the ride, enjoy the path. I'm just here to have some positive vibes and be with my family and love, and it just means everything to me right now to make memories. So that's just basically what we're doing. We're building memories. So that's just pretty much it. I'm gonna have to catch you BEAUTETS on the next one. Okay, BEAUTETS. I am at the beach now, and I'm just here with my Familia. It's a beautiful scenery. Here's the kids. Say hi, Alfredo. This is a little bit recording. Say hi, sis. I feel like I'm trying to, the sun is so bright that I'm looking at myself, but I'm trying to see you. And all I see is my face. But it's recording. This is a vlog. So that's my sis. She lives in Florida. YouTube. Yeah, tell them what's your YouTube channel. BEAUTETS.
Hey BEAUTETS.
Yeah, BEAUTETS. This is my sister Clarissa. Say hi. Say hi to baby Glotty. Hayden. Look at Hayden. And April. Yeah, hi. The kids are having a great time. So beautiful. As for me, I look like a wet dog. You feeling like a wet dog at the beach. It is beautiful. And I love to come and clear my mind, especially with family. But I will catch you BEAUTETS on the next segment. I should be probably out and about, so that probably might be a little nightlife. Oh, look at the clouds. Wait, look at the clouds. So beautiful. Wow. I'm so in love with nature that, like, I'm definitely an earth sign. How adorable. Oh, my mom's pool. It's the kids playing. Oh gosh, no, no, come on. You heard that? Oh no.
We're about
Not
to
now,
swim
Rain,
like
not now.
mermaids.
Show me what you got.
Come on, Pussy.
She's already showing me a front flip. How you do your front flip? Your front flip. How you do it? Yeah, where you show me in the water. Where you did. When you did a flip. How you do it? Show me. This little girl. She's only 5 and swimming deep, and she has a lot of turns and
Has to show you
a
something.
lot of flips.
Come, April. 3, 2, 1. Come on.
The kids are enjoying themselves. They're having a granite time. She's so little and she goes to the deep. I'm proud of you, April. You're so cute. I go bite you. And look at Alfredito. Wow. My babies are swimming. We got mermaids. Sis turning up over there. No, she's on the phone. Hey, we lit, guys. We have been actually, that's why you haven't been seeing me, because I really just been trying to spend time. But we got our Henny, take a shot, love. Oh, the other one. It has, because it's gonna be vlog. Got that Henny on there?
Let's see how much seconds.
You just gotta stay tuned, BEAUTETS.